Go on, brother. Well, 500 man will have one bike. Whole team, yeah. That is it. Whole team, yeah. Bobby, you come?
I'm more for come, I'm about 21 away.
Bobby, you forward? Hey, Val. Yeah. Annie.
Easter food.
Jermaine. I tell you, I got to have something that string then over. See?
Oh, yeah, I see some food play today.
Show some food play, no? Bobby, you forward? Now go there.
Oh my God!
Pedal bicycle, man. Pedal bicycle, man. Pedal man.
Double too much. Well, I'm a bug. Daddy, what about bug?
I'm sure no really.
Yeah, why take it out here? Be well, but I'll go about that thing.
Yeah, stop a best and wait for the rest of it. You wanna put some more passion and energy in the youth? My doing so lazy, man. On so lazy. The rest of the man in there. It's your fine. Bean Ed. The girl and lean Ed. And the girl ain't seen it, so the fees Ed. Who need to drop down? You need to drop yourself.
You're right off too fast.
Oh. You couldn't ride out no slower than that?
You'll come around.
So wait for the rest of the man then. Dog, stop being nice, man.
That's a big black on the finish.
Bean, you look so tired already. You look so tired already. You tired? Now, if tired needs to itchy, you know. Itchy, we tired. Some more reminding me I reach up now. Look on! Hey! First time man ain't gone by the truck, you know. Well, boy, Ronnie, I still see him when you hold on man week. First time man ain't by the truck back and go up. Well, boy, Ronnie, I still see him. Man. Well, I man in the van jump back and go. That's it, man. Watch your car, boy. This man want to carry the back of you, yeah? You like man them, man? The bike can stall. The man them buy truck back, man. The man they need, you know?
Yeah,
The truck a smoke for you. You mean, mama? See it, man. Can't go so close to each other. Time I go close to each other. When the man gear down slow, I go close because I can't get the stop brake. Make me have to lean on the bike. Watch it. We're going to stop up at school gate and make the car pass.
No, go on.
And the salon they can come and... Lego tin man. Don't go back, Maro. Ah, man, they finally cool. You say, I'm on week. Respect me, General. You say, I'm on week. Come up for the bike now, Jay. Yo, when the man, you say the man ease up on the truck, like him a change gear, brother. I saw you see bike I go past the truck. Yo, that the bad a while ago, brother. Monsieur thinks serious a man go up on the truck or roll on or something. Me say one night time, the truck nearly drive over being you know. Yo, frig.
Me wonder why being there.
Yo, the man almost. Yeah, the man almost when the truck go over him.
When the truck reach our part, me see being there.
Me say, the man almost when the truck go over him. I know, I right think the man do that me I tell you, brother. One now hold on, one have to hold on, but set the angle at when it draw, you know. When you stay there, you say it might awkward, you know. It might awkward, but I dare say you have to hold on, brother.
No, brother.
I say every teen man around there see him, we are hold on the bike. Man smart, brother. Man smart town, brother. Them boy not reach up as of now, you know. I know. If you know, when them boy reach up, we make no go through there. See there? Safe school, notice, visitors signing at the security post. That is it. So enough to say, how was that adventure a while ago? That is bad, you know? When the rest of the man didn't come up.
We have to put right look at it.
You're not going to almost reach the square.
Almost reach the square.
Yeah, when the rest of the man reach up, you're going to take to the school.
Yeah,
stop at square, because night I come down. If the rest of the man want to go around the next part,
no,
we can go around the next
square, because night.
Yeah, brother. That did bad a while ago.
Brother, let me ask you this. Yo, I'm up on the chocolate metals. See me and them, yeah? I shake one and them, jump up, because I bone me.
Brother, that did bad a while ago, brother.
One up on the latch, you know? One up on the latch, you know?
You know, latch it open.
You know, latch, brother. So, you have to squeeze it, man, I'm a finger them out. Bone me. See, I can't tell me if you want, so.
You say, man, draw me shirt. The man a draw his shirt, you know, and the man a draw me shirt back, and me a go, so brother. Every turn me turn, I saw my shirt I go. See, by you can't see me a way over here, so. Just see by no slide over the whole way. Yeah. That did bad a while ago, brother. No, we are waiting for the rest of the man to reach up here, so. We go about half the distance with the truck, and the rest of the man them I walk and some a pedal. Anyhow, being never have the bicycle, being that reach up here, so. But because you love bicycle, man, Jeremy and